The second technique of the process integration practice is seamless technology integration. Technology is a critical enabler for KCS. It enables collaborative problem solving and knowledge sharing regardless of space and time. The consortium have developed a KCS verified program to help vendors develop KCS verified software and provide customers with a list of KCS verified products. To find out which vendors' products are certified or to get a detailed list of all of the requirements, visit the KCS Academy website. Ideally, support technology enables the problem-solving process in the solve loop to work at the speed of conversation or real time. Analysts become more proficient at the process and solve problems faster by using the experiences of the entire support organisation and minimise rework. To achieve this speed of conversation goal, the tools being used must be integrated to enable a seamless workflow where the interaction with the knowledge base and the KCS article creation are integrated with problem solving. For example, an ideal integration between a knowledge management system and an incident management system might include the following capabilities. Search the knowledge base using information in the incident record to launch or refine a search. When considering linking, it's important that knowledge articles share identical categorizations and structures to incident records. Link an existing KCS article to an incident. Linking knowledge articles should also provide the ability to copy knowledge article content into the incident record. There should be the ability to link multiple knowledge articles to a single incident record. There should be knowledge indicators on the incident record which display the knowledge article link status, article flag status, and the article lifecycle state. And to retrieve information from the KCS article, such as the resolution, to populate the incident record. Here, linking can occur with two types of knowledge: reference information and resolution or fix information. View a KCS article that is being linked to an incident and vice versa. Modify existing KCS articles in the process of reuse based on the KCS licensing model, supporting reuse is review. Create a KCS article in the knowledge base from the information in the incident record. Collaborate with other subject matter experts who are relevant to the problem and quickly contact them via email or chat. The typical service environment we see has an application user interface that most often demands the user's behaviour to align to the needs of the application. For organisations in a position to adapt the user interface, we are proposing a user interface that aligns more directly to the needs of the user. The optimal environment has a tight integration between the incident management and knowledge management systems, such that the users do not have to move between applications. However, most of the KCS adoptions have not had the luxury of starting with this kind of tight integration. Success has been achieved with very crude integrations, so don't feel you cannot start the KCS journey unless you have what is outlined here. This is the ideal, something to aspire to as your adoption and technology infrastructure mature. The design criteria involves eliminating the notion of separate tools, the integration of the incident or case management, knowledge management, and collaboration functionality. Make it easy and obvious for the support analyst to do the right thing. Minimize context switching, screen changes or application changes. Create a single pane of glass or one-page interface that has the functionality needed for the majority of incidents. Try to refrain from wasting screen real estate on seldom used functionality. Align with and sustain the support analyst's problem-solving process. Capitalise on all that is known and already entered, meaning no duplication of work. And integrate what is known from all via multiple sources about the customer, the account, entitlement, the product, and the problem or question. We can have the best tools and user interfaces in the world, but if we don't understand why and how to use them, it won't matter. A good user interface must be complemented with good measures, understanding and buy-in on the part of the support analysts, and coaching to support the behaviour change. 5 things that influence behaviour, and in no particular order, are the tool functionality, navigation, integration, making it easier to do the right thing. Measures, how people are measured. Recognition and reputation. Understanding, the extent to which the support analysts understand what's in it for me, as well as the bigger picture of what's in it for the company and the customers. Coaching, peers who are trusted change agents and role models. The closed incident captures the KCS article in the form of problem, environment and resolution as it was when it was given to the customer. So in other words, a snapshot of the KCS article. The KCS article continues to evolve as it is reused. No support organisation that has adopted KCS has had the ideal user interface. This level of integration should not be viewed as a requirement to get started, as many have created great benefit with little or no integration between their incident management and knowledge management applications. However, sustainability of the KCS practices requires that users see continuous improvement in the level of integration. The KCS coaches and the knowledge domain experts should provide requirements to the owners of the user interface to promote continuous improvement in the design and functionality of the infrastructure. This workflow shows how an individual resolution might unfold. Now this workflow is an example. It's a place to start the design. Every organisation will have variations. The workflow designed must consider the tools being used and the nature of the products and the customers being supported. The 2 key considerations in designing the workflow are complexity and volume. High complexity, low volume environments typically have longer resolution times and more frequent use of the knowledge base throughout the problem-solving process. This workflow is an example of a medium to high complexity environment. In a low complexity, high volume environment, the average resolution times may be 5 to 10 minutes, and the level of redundant work is very high. That is, support analysts are resolving the same issue over and over again. In this environment, the workflow displayed here does not make sense. Support analysts are not going to search for an answer in the knowledge base that they already know in their head, use every day, and can resolve in a matter of minutes. However, we still want to know how often issues are being resolved, and we need a way to notify support analysts if there is new information about the issues or resolution. Organisations that deal with frequently used and widely known resolutions will often create a quick click list or a favourites list of articles. This is most effective when the list is unique to each user, although it can be done at the team level. The The quick click feature enables the support analyst to record with a single click the fact that this issue was handled again. Using this quick link or favourite increments the use count of the article. This is critical information to capture as it is used in the evolve loop to identify patterns of reuse. Also, clicking the article creates an opportunity to offer the support analyst the latest information about the article via a pop-up window or by opening the article. This should only be done to communicate changes in what is already known about the issue. Once the new information becomes widely known, the pop-up feature for the article should be turned off.